Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos now to talk about our weather forecast. I would say, I mean, it's hot out there, but it could be so much worse, right?
You said you were hot today.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, you know, we're going to crank up the heat a bit more going through the Labor Day weekend.
So it is going to get worse.
Week. So it is going to get worse, yeah. I think we'll have several days with the potential of reaching 100 plus across the valley. And the good news is if you are heading up to the Sierra, you know, we've been so busy, so active with the thunder and lightning, right? And we'll have a few storms from time to time in the days ahead, especially early next week. The activity compared to where things have been, much quieter. We have some of the clouds building with the heating of the day. Can't rule out an isolated shower through the course of the evening hours, but for the most part, a lot quieter because just 24 hours ago, we were following thousands of cloud to ground lightning strikes. What's happening is that moisture with the monsoon season that was making its way northward, impacting the Sierra. A lot of that since then moved toward the east. We're also tapping into tropical moisture down to the south. Look at that. Southern California getting into some rain showers. These are the remnants of what was Tropical Storm Juliet. And you can see some of the rain showers coming in south of Vegas right now. And all that's rotating around a ridge of high pressure. So that moisture source has shifted toward the east. Northern California remains in between that ridge of high pressure to the east, which, by the way, is a huge player in our weekend forecast. Why? Because the heat. There's a lot of heat with it. We'll talk about that here in a bit. But when you look off to the west, you also have a storm system well off the coast, and that's associated with some cooler air. And this weekend, it's going to be a battleground of which one of these systems wins out and dominates the weather pattern. So let's show you how this plays out, because again, that's cooler weather with that storm system. That ridge of high pressure has the heat. And as we get toward that weekend, Labor Day weekend, ridge of high pressure begins to build in. Any cool down stays displaced to the north, and watch what happens as we get toward Labor Day in early next week. That ridge of high pressure really takes over, and the entire West Coast gets in on the heat there. And as we roll into next Monday, Tuesday, we'll start to sneak in some more moisture with the southwest monsoon around that ridge, and that will lead to another batch of thunderstorm activity early next week for the Sierra. But certainly not a repeat with the amount of lightning strikes we've had last few days. I don't think it'll be quite as much of a stormy stretch. That said, the attention turns to the heat coming our way this week. And look at that forecast. Saturday, Sunday, temperatures borderline triple digits. And I think we'll have many days with temps getting close to 100 degrees. We've had 11 so far this year. Out of those 11, 7 took place this month. And we're going to finish out the unofficial end of summer on a hot note. Getting into this weekend, you can see Monday temperatures up to about 100 degrees. So this is a change from last night. Our weather forecast trending warmer. So 102 on Tuesday, triple digits through middle to latter part of next week. And just a few isolated storms in the Sierra later this weekend, early next week. Marley?
All right. Sounds good. Thank you, Nick.